I guess we back with another one. We back with another one. We back with another one. You feel what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and get it cracking. Damn. 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 Oh shit, I recap, man. I fucked up that first time. Here I come. Here I come. Here I come. Here I come. Coming in. Driving when I come again. Post it cause you know I gotta get it in. I don't need no paper, bitch, not owe no pen. What? Don't need it in. You ain't hear it, I'm about to go again. I'm just here with another video. You feel what I'm saying? You know, I had to get it in, snap for the one time, for the intro video, just to get it in, just for a nice little start. You feel me? To this episode 20? We on episode 20, right? Feel me? Episode 20. We've been getting it in for 20 episodes. You feel me? So, yeah. And with that being said, we come in with another breakdown of this it's actually a losing trade that I'm in right now. Why is it a losing trade? Because I started to hold it, which was a bad option, I think, in my eyes. Swing it, I should say, maybe in trading terms. But other than that, yeah, I held it, and I'm holding it as of right now. I'm gonna actually turn the camera around eventually and show you guys what I'm holding and why I held this trade to the point where I'm in like $60 in drawdown again, just like the last episode. Why? Because I didn't follow my trading rules, which was don't trade today, Marcus. Again, you feel me? Gotta stop trading on the days that you do not post a trade on, and that's the whole point of this video, to show my losing streak, because apparently nobody really shows their losing streak and or when they lose their trades. And yeah, I'm in a demo account. No, this is not real money. This is factual, or not fictional. This is fake money. This is in a demo account. It's cool. Again, I'm planning on putting some real money again in my account, saving it up as of right now to put it in probably a couple more months. Ain't no telling when, but just know it's gonna be in a couple more months. It'll be a live account coming at you. But other than that, yeah, we in this demo account, and we were again getting it in nice and a nice stroll. But then, as of right now, we're in a losing streak by not following the trading plans, and that's basically what episode 20 is about: not following your trading plan. And again, and what you can basically fix on this trade, whether I want to hold it to see if it'll just fix the direction that it's going, and possibly going, my direction. But it's no guarantees at the end of the day, because the market does what it wants to do. At the end of the day, all we can do is like get close to what that possibility is. And it's just kind of crazy, because I really felt in my heart that it was gonna go down, and it just shows that you could be wrong. It is what it is. And, yeah, about to flip this camera around. I got you. Let's get it. Yes, sir. So as you can see right there, got this chart pulled up to why I would have thought it would have done what it did, but it did not. It proved me wrong, that it disrespected whatever I had planned or whatever I had intended for it. You feel me? So as you can see right here, clear as daylight, we are on a 30-minute time frame trading GBP USD, one of my favorite pairs. No, I'm not a professional trader. I do this for fun. As my side hustle that I love to do because I'm addicted to it, kind of. Fuck it, I'm addicted to it. I ain't gonna even play with you. But yeah, it is what it is. I'm not addicted to losing. I'm addicted to winning. But as of right now, I'm in this losing streak, and yeah, I have to learn how to get out of it, and or just learn. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. I seen something on the screen. My bad. I'm tweaking, boy. But again, yeah, I seen something. Seen something on the screen. Try to knock it and deal with it here. But either way it go, yeah, I can't stop this trading, man. So as you see right here in the 30-minute, let's go ahead and zoom it out to a daily time frame so we can go ahead and see and check out exactly what I was looking at, man. Because it's just shocking me right now what it's deciding to do, due to the fact that it is not loving you know, the position that I chose for the trade to go. You feel what I'm saying? So with that being said, let's go ahead and get cracking for this daily time frame. And it's bypassing this motherfucking horizontal trend line we had set up right here. Oh my god, as you can see, it broke through it. It's creating this upper half of this candlestick right here. Man, my down streak path right there that I created the other video 19 episode, it may be over with, man. And I may just be showing this video recording it that I had a badass beginning of February, and my $3,000 trade and demo account has went down to about $2,000 damn near. I done damn near lost $100 from January all the way to February, due to the fact that I can't stop trading on the days that I'm not supposed to trade on. 2, I am getting in the trades too fucking early, way too early. And 3, you gotta zoom out and look at all of the time frames before you just fucking get in, thinking that it's gonna do exactly what you want it to. But again, I held this trade due to the fact that I just had this feeling it wasn't going to break this horizontal trend line I set up right here, due to the fact I am waiting on this full candlestick to form and to see what direction it did choose. And then I guess we can just go from there with holding in a long-term position if I do decide to do that. But other than that, yeah, I've been holding a losing long-term position as of right now. Losing. Don't follow that. Do not follow that. Make sure you learn from those lessons once I upload this on YouTube, because that's what I've been doing. Make sure you fucking learn from that mistake. So as you can see, you already seen that you know, that 4 hour with that daily time frame. Now we looking at a 4 hour time frame, and we can still see this area down here that we highlighted from like a week ago. We're gonna leave these, you know, the major key levels and areas. As you can see right now, it like I said, it broke past this horizontal trend level, trend line. Now as you can see in the 4 hour time frame, it does look like less candles, but that's because it's more like structured wise. The candlesticks, the baby candlesticks, are inside the candlestick, so it forms the full top half of the candlestick and or the bottom half of the candlestick. So as we zoom down, we'll go ahead and break them little candlesticks up, you feel me? So as you can see, this take profit and stop loss I had made earlier today, due to the fact, again, I wasn't supposed to be trading and I got in way too early, thinking that I seen the setup. Didn't. The setup was for a buy. And what did I do? Sell. Stupid, boy. You stupid, boy. You feel me? Anybody could have done the same dumbass mistake I've done. And yeah. And as you can see, I missed this whole trade. Fucking terrible. It broke above. As you can see, I was waiting on this to see if it may break above it and go down. Do I have a real stop loss? That may be the question. Well, you can see this red is the stop loss. I didn't have no real stop loss, due to the fact that I felt so passionate about this trade. I had to take profit. I did have a stop loss, imaginary stop loss, which I didn't put inside of MetaTrader 4. And if you don't know that, that is the trading platform that we use. That I use. Yeah, I didn't put the stop loss in there, and as you can see, it did progress into the expansion mode of blowing out the fucking universe right there, all the way up. So as you can see, I could become a reaction trader right now and just, you know, go ahead and get out this trade, boom, switch my position and go up. But ain't no telling whether like I said, the market could just go through it, you know, bounce through it and then go down a little bit just to retest to make sure that it wants to go up, and then it can just shoot up. But then that could be my time to go down, you know, get back slowly. I ain't gonna even say into profit, because I doubt we get back into profit, but slowly down, you know, at least to about negative 20 something, hopefully. Ain't no possibilities, but maybe. If I do, I'll make sure I post it in a screenshot on my next video. But in this video, kind of about right here, I'm gonna go ahead and put my current situation basically of this trade that I'm in. And it's terrible because I'm like, again, I was like negative, as you can see, negative 60 something. It is what it is. Am I tripping? No. We're in a demo account. You're probably gonna be watching this years from now, even months from now. So fuck you talking about. You ain't gonna be able to say shit to me once I learn this shit, and once you learn it and learn from my mistakes. So at this point right here, we are at a 2-hour time frame. So as you can see, this is that blue area that we had in the daily and the 4 hour that looks very wide. And again, those candlesticks break up into smaller bits and pieces. And this is what I drew out from this all the way to touch this, the second one, all the way down to touch that third one. And as you can see, it broke through. I could just, again, in this trade, get out negative 60 something dollars down the drain due to the fact that, again, this trade was very iffy and I shouldn't have gotten this trade. I just felt so passionate about that it wanted to go down. As you can see right here, even, it is what it is. Fuck it. Fuck the trade. But again, I don't want to get in too early right now, and then it fucking just plummets down because it just wants to retest instead of it going up. It may just go up all the way and then, boom, touch up here. Like, it's possible, and it may do that dumbass shit. It may do it. It may do it. Can I stop it? Hell no, because I ain't going. If I get out this trade, that's because I hit a negative $100. That's because, and I'm gonna make sure I put it in my video when I reach that negative $100. If I never hit that negative $100, I'm not getting out this trade. Not this one. Now, again, it's because I strongly believe in this trade. Now, any other trade, make sure you fucking put a stop loss. Make sure you put a stop loss on every fucking trade. Do not just do a trade with no stop loss. You're gonna fucking regret it, whether you win or whether you lose. If you win, it's by God's grace, and he was looking over you, and that was a lucky one. But other than that, better trade with stop loss, because it's gonna be that day. That day gonna come, and that day gonna come. You don't want to have that day. So let's go ahead and zoom down to our time frame again. This is that box we put up here. Let's actually stretch this bitch out, because this is actually like one of the major key levels. And if it just kind of retests this black horizontal trend line, bounce up in this area, that'd be very, very crazy. I honestly wouldn't be surprised at all that it asks where the cash at, and that's where it's at. And as you see again, as we scroll down, these are bits and pieces of the long candlesticks that disrespected me. As you can see, the Williams alligator as well, just kind of bloom, 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 crossed over right here, tricked me, did not continue down, went up, boom. And it's crazy. Hold on one sec, let me go grab this. Man, craziest shit ever. Girl asked me to grab that damn shrimp out. Totally forgot. It's crazy. So again, yeah, we back on here, a 1 hour time frame. As you can see, I didn't want to rush in that trade. Hurry up and get out the trade. And as you can see, it's 1, 2, 3. Whether if it continues to plummet up, then it's a possibility that it could go up. Now it's consolidating around this area that I'm not gonna move this up to. It's consolidating around this area. It's very hard to tell whether it wants to continue up or whether it wants to continue down. I'm not gonna say that it may be hard, because there might be some traders out here that's hard, that's cold at it. Be like, yeah, it's gonna do this and that, and it does that shit. I don't fucking know. I'm not no perfection masters motherfucker to know that shit right now. So with that being said, I can't really make no decision on it right now. All I can do is wait it out to my trading day, which is tomorrow. Tomorrow is my official, and today is not. So again, I got on this trade that was stupid again, because I knew since last week, again, on Tuesdays, that's the day that it usually goes the opposite way of what I what I normally feel, which is, you know, strange, but it does that. That means I got in too early, basically. So with that being said, we are waiting on it to basically do what it decides to do. Other than that, yeah, I'm just not gonna get in this trade, because other than that, like, fucking might just get in or get out too early. I'd be so fucking mad. So right here we zoomed it down to a 45-minute time frame. As you can see, here's daylight. Again, it was like boom, 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 multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 right here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and just fucking bypasses this whole fucking line. It just temporary trend line. Hey, bro. Yeah, leave me alone then. Other than that, as you could see, right here, I don't know why it just seems like the more that it makes these wicks and candles, that it's not gonna go down here right now. And the less, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, boom, then it shot up. Like, that's so strange. Like, but that's what the market does. That's what I'm saying. Like, you know, so even if this is like a consolidative stage, so even if I was to draw a box right here, that would have been a consolidative state, and then as you can see, boom, it broke out into an uptrend. So I would have had to react to it, getting out of that box, jumping up over into the top. So that would have been a nice, you know, that would have been a nice upside of trade if I got in for a buy on a quick, you know, buy over there. That would have been nice, but instead I was going with the sell, and I ended up holding it way too long and got disrespected, as you can see right here. And this is still here relevant. Let's go and take this out of here. Way too much. We're gonna delete this again, because it, as you can see, it broke through right here, and it continued to not only go down but flutter up. So fuck this trend line as well. Trend line is useless. Let's go ahead and go down to a 30-minute time frame. As you can see, this box right here, this is that area that I wanted it to belovedly respect, but as you can see, it totally disrespected going it up in the air. But again, that's why we just wait it out and be patient, because as you can see, all these candlesticks, again, the big ass candlesticks have finally went down to smaller candlesticks. So as you can see, as of right now, as we go lower into the time frames, they're gonna get lower and smaller. So with this being said, you can see that again, I don't think it's gonna just continue to just go from right here and just fly up in the air. No, I think it has to at least retest this horizontal trend line once, because as of right now, it is bouncing off of this area right here. So if I was to draw you know, like a temporary trend line right here, boom, 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 let's change the color, let's put it black. So as you can see, it is hitting off of it. So if it did, boom, boom, but I wouldn't just say so, due to the fact that it has to break above, make some candle confirmation sticks above in order for me to say that it's gonna go up. But as right now, this gravestone right here candlestick doesn't look very promising. It may retest, or it may go up a little bit and then come down to finally retest. You know, the market is gonna do what it do. That's why you got to be patient and wait it out to see. But again, these two confirmations breaking through these horizontal trend lines, those are, you know, confirmations that you can include into whether the direction's going to go up or whether it's going to go down. Like, this could be a possibility that it just but retest and then go up. You know, that's a possibility. Like this right here, boom, go up, or boom, go up a little bit, go down. See, as right now, this is higher than high, so this is considered a higher high. Could be like this, boom, boom, boom. So it's really like, if I would have had paid attention, I would have had grasped all of this instead of hopping in a sale thinking that was gonna make sense. No, that was some pretty stupid decision that I made. So yeah, it is what it is. So you can see again, now zoomed out to 15. I don't want to keep really fucking looking at this stupid ass stop loss and take profit, because it's irrelevant at this point. It's not even really helping me. It's just showing how retarded I was, barely thinking that it was gonna go down. And you know what? I might actually just keep it to the end of the week, due to the fact that if it does decide to make its decision, I'm gonna look back again, just like I did before. Look back again and see what it did and what day it did it on. Why did it decide to move? Finally, I have to actually take a look at my FX books. They have some news. Usually, the news could possibly predict the timing of when the market decides to move. It's all types of different ways, but I know that my FX book is one resource that you can use, at least on a technical news side. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah. As we zoom it down to this 5-minute time frame, we're gonna look at this first. Boom. Oh, it's about to go down. I was in fucking profit right here. My dumb ass, shot out, fucking stupid ass, and retested right here. That same entry level retested, and boom, it just was another retest to explain that it wasn't coming the fuck back down no time soon. Understandable. Should have picked up on that. See, right here, I would have been thinking it's going up again, but as you can see, it did disrespect this and came down a little bit if I was to draw a trend line, which is crazy. So it just shows, even if it does go down past it a little bit, it could possibly still decide to make its decision to flourish the rest of the way. You just gotta, be on time and make sure you got them alerts set up and reading them candlesticks, and hey, cause it get thick out here. That market move pretty quick, and it don't, got no name on it, so it's gonna do what it want to do, whether it consolidate, move up, or whether it move down. But the only way it's gonna move is up, down, or sideways. Sideways, not really a straight up, more of like a sideways, or just a type of little flow, as you can see. So it do a little weird shit like that. So yeah, again, this is the 5-minute time frame. All I'm really doing is just waiting out to see whether it's just gonna bounce down and retest before it continues to go up, or if I should continue to hold this out to the end of the week, at least till Friday. I'm not gonna hold this trade out over the weekend again. That was a dumbass mistake I made again last week. I'm not gonna do that. But other than that, yeah, we just gonna hold it and wait it out until at least Friday or Thursday, depending on what it's doing tomorrow. Cause if it hits that negative 100, then I'm just gonna get out and just have to take this humongous L, like retarded L, or it decides to go down a little bit and I take a half L. But I done already missed this whole trade, so there's no sense of me even getting in on no fucking buy or nothing. Like, shit's retarded, bro. I can get in for a fucking retest. Yeah, I can get in for that, but do I want to get in though? Because this is not a trading day. So again, we're just gonna be patient with it, wait till this joint out and see what it decides to do. Yeah, because it's gonna do something nice. It's gonna move eventually, you feel me? And again, it's that one and only best pair in the world, GBP/USD, you feel me? So yeah, that was the 30-minute right there. Let's go ahead and take a look at this Euro/USD. This day Euro/USD. Take a look at it one time before I go ahead and end this video. We ain't gonna make it too long, you feel what I'm saying? Too long. So again, oh, you feel me? You see, like, we go back to the last videos, and it's finally, I need to go ahead and get in on the little sale tip. All the way down. Get on the little sale tip. All the way down here. That shit be so crazy. If that motherfucker really hit all the way down here on a sale tip, that shit took at least about a week. That shit really wild. If it really took a whole week for that motherfucker to just come all the way down, you would be like, man, this nigga ain't getting on none of that. The whole time he just predicted that bitch ain't even go. And he ain't even in. Nigga stupid as hell. But really, I just want to see that motherfucker gonna really do that. Because if it did, then it's a possibility next time I decide to do that, I'll just get in on it. Because again, this is not a pair that I trade on the frequent, so I don't want to take too much of a risk due to the fact that it's possible that it's gonna fuck over my account. You know what I'm saying? So unless I know for sure it's gonna do that, then I get in. If I don't, then I ain't about to get in. I'm gonna just be patient. That's what the game is about, being patient. That's what we're gonna do. You feel what I'm saying? So we break it down to the lower time frame. As you can see, them lower the lower time frames with the candles, it can make you wanna rechange your thought, rechange your whole bias on the whole opinion. So you have to be careful about that. Again, we're just gonna be patient with this Euro USD. I do want to set up alert, but I don't, because I'm not gonna really look at it too much. But if it happens to go down here to this 13,500, wouldn't be surprised, especially if it asks where the cash at. Yeah, so we're just gonna be patient and rock this joint out, because I don't think it's going back up here to retest the top of this Fibonacci no time soon. You feel me? But this major trend line area, I don't think that it's going there no time soon. And if it does, whippity hoo, that motherfucker gonna shoot down again eventually, because it has to retest. Back to the GBP USD, one of the best pairs in the world. Sheesh, yeah, it's so disrespectful just looking at it, knowing that the fact I'm in this losing trade, holding this motherfucker, knowing that it's just consolidating right here in this area, whether it's gonna retest or just shoot all the way down, or even just stop right here and completely go up into this box. All we can really do is just wait and see. You feel me? All we can do is wait and see what the market decides to do tonight. Going into tomorrow morning, through the whole day tomorrow, it'll move, pretty sure. Yeah, well, I'll be back with another video tomorrow to show these results. You feel what I'm saying? As this holding, losing fucking trade. You feel me? Whether we got a profit or whether we not. You feel what I'm saying? So let's get it. Back with another one. Hope you guys like the video. Like, subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below if you guys have any suggestions or have any comments to say or any helpful tips. You feel what I'm saying? And yeah, we'll be back with another one. Back when it's popping, back when it ain't, feel me? So let's get it. Have a good one.